Welcome back to El Mundo del Láser with Sublimonchis. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to laser engrave a faux leather planner using a fiber laser marking machine. We will be tweaking the speed and power parameters to get absolutely stunning results. I'm Ramon Arroyo, licensed in visual communication design, but you can just call me Sublimonchis. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, we are here inside Ezcad 2. This is the standard go-to software we use for our fiber laser machines. Now, you can select the entire design at once or choose specific parts. Personally, I prefer selecting it section by section. Since I already have this part grouped, I will head over to the hatch option right here. Let's click on hatch 1, enable it, and set our line spacing to 0.05 millimeters. We will also activate the average distribute line feature. For the follow edge or loop distance, we will keep it at 0.5 millimeters. Let's click OK. And look at that, the software fills it in beautifully. Keep in mind, this isn't like working with heat transfer vinyl or screen printing where you get a solid block of color. If we zoom in close, you can see that it's actually made of clean, tightly packed lines. That's exactly how our fiber laser marking machine executes the engraving. Once this section is ready, we can apply the same settings to the text or title. Let's open hatch again. Keep it at 0.05 millimeters line spacing and 0.5 millimeters for the loop distance, then hit OK. Now, we need to adjust a few parameters at the bottom. As I mentioned before, make sure Mark Select is checked so it only fires on what's selected. Next, we will check Show Contour. This is a lifesaver because it allows us to see the exact outline of where our personalized text will land, making it incredibly easy to center everything perfectly. Down here, remember that the red button or F1 triggers the red light preview. This lets us visualize the placement on our material before we actually start engraving. The mark button or F2 is what commands the machine to fire the laser. Over on the parameter panel, our current speed is 1500 millimeters per second, but I want a deeper high contrast finish for this faux leather, so we are going to adjust our power settings accordingly. Alright, creative partners. Here are the 10 exclusive gifts from Creative Fabrica, so you can download all these stickers or search for anything else you like. We are talking 10 full packs completely free to help you start boosting your income today. Head over to Creative Fabrica. I will leave the link in the comments so you can grab yours. Just scroll down to find the 10 free products with a risk-free trial section. Go ahead and start your free trial. You will need to create an account, but your discount for those 10 vector packs is already applied. It'll show up as $0. And here's the best part. After your trial, the price drops from the usual $10 to just $3.99 a month when you sign up for the year. You will be fully covered with an annual plan. If you decide it's not for you, you can cancel before the first month ends with no strings attached and no extra charges. But if you buy it, you will have year-round access to thousands of vectors to grow your business and support your family. Let's get creating. Now, let's get back to our faux leather planner. First things first. We turn on the main switch at the back of the machine. Then, we toggle our indicator switches to activate the red alignment pointers and power up the galvo head. The cooling fans will kick in, so you'll hear a bit of background noise. Next, we place our planner on the workspace. This machine features a motorized Z-axis, meaning it automatically moves up and down to align the twin red dots perfectly. Remember, proper calibration is crucial. Laser marking machines don't always come perfectly calibrated out of the box. You must ensure your multi-field calibration, red pointer alignment, and focus distance are spot on to achieve the optimal focal length. With our focal length calibrated, let's fire up the red light preview to verify our design placement. Using the Show Contour mode gives us a crystal clear boundary box, allowing us to reposition the notebook perfectly. Now, let's switch the preview to follow the actual artwork paths so we can see exactly where the laser will track. Everything looks flawless. Let's hit mark and see this fiber laser run. Look at that speed. Wow, look at that contrast. Personally, I love a bold, high contrast finish over a subtle mark, and the level of crisp detail we got here is absolutely incredible. For our second run, we will engrave the personalized text at the bottom. We'll run the red preview again. For this setup, we are utilizing a dual split alignment process to expand our effective engraving field. Let's hit mark. Look at how beautiful it processes the text. Once it finishes, Look at how beautifully it processes the text. A quick wipe down with our cloth, and it's done. This personalized faux leather planner is officially ready to be delivered to the client. Excellent resolution, perfect contrast, and a flawlessly calibrated focal depth. Don't forget, this is El Mundo del Láser with Sublimonchis. Catch you in the next one, and happy engraving!